What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. This video is on common issues when trying to start a Chevy Cruze. If you have a Chevy Cruze late model like 2013 and above, maybe even a 2012, and you go to start your car, sometimes it rides good, sometimes it cut off unexpectedly. I figured out what the problem may be. If your Stabilink comes on and off periodically, or your radio may come on but not necessarily play. The major problem is right up under the hood. It's a $20 or less fix, and I'll show you how to correct a Stabilink problem, car not starting. Most people might mistake this for having a bad battery, but it's not your battery. It's something else that GM knows about, but decided to roll out one recall that went by everybody unexpectedly. So let me show you what the problem is. Okay, here's your problem right here. This battery cable, this is the problem, the negative battery cable. It's an easy fix. What you need to do is replace this cable. It's a GM part number. I'll list the part number label. But basically, this negative battery cable has problems right here. It crimps right here, which causes shortages. And the shortages will cause the engine, computer to misdiagnose problems like Stabilink, or the radio may act different. So that's your problem right there. Easy fix. Disconnect right here, runs through this little loop over to the body or the frame. It connects again right here onto the frame. It's an easy fix. Loop through this hole, connects to the body of the frame, back up to the battery. Easy fix. So let's go get the part and get to it. So let's take a quick ride around the corner to the local auto parts store and pick up this cable for the Chevy Cruze negative battery cable. Down a couple of numbers and try to cross-reference it with the GM number.
Okay. Yeah, because they come in different gauges and different lengths too. So you make sure you get the right gauge and the right length.
Exactly.
So ain't nothing wrong.
And what's the difference
How you doing?
between the Duralast Gold and the regular one? Is it like a better quality?
I think it's just a better quality and texture on the cable, but as far as performance, I don't think it's really too much more in it.
Okay guys, the negative battery cable has been changed. Sorry I wasn't able to record it all, but we're in a dead of winter out this way, and it is freaking cold outside. So let's get back in the car. I already see results. I can see my power is back on. Let's see if it cranks up. Car cranks up. See if my radio's gonna turn back on. Engine light is on. I probably need to clear that since I changed the battery cable. But radio is back on. Everything seems to be working okay. I'll do a follow-up video if needed to let you know if that corrected the problem. If I don't add any comments, that means the problem was corrected. Till the next time, I holla back. Peace.